I have students right now who are interested in, they have an interest in hiking. They go out and hike weekly. They find that when they're on a hiking trail, they come across certain interesting points of interest that they would like to share with others, or they may want to warn others about these certain points of interest.
Okay, let's look at hiking trails and see what we can do. And I found a couple people that were interested in the same kind of idea, and we came up with this idea of, why don't we look at hiking trails and trying to crowdsource information about them.
So like Brian, Vicky, and I, we all kind of came together and we were like, all right, we definitely want to do an app. We definitely want to do hiking. Let's get on this. Everybody has their specialties, and that's I think how we kind of became a group, so that we're not all trying to do the same thing all together. We actually have our specialties, and then are coming together throughout the semester and next semester to put it all together.
Vicky decided that she wanted to work on programming the Android application, while Andy was interested in the iOS or iPhone application. So that was great. I decided that I would focus on the website, and I would focus on creating up the database and getting that working, while they worked on the mobile applications. And so it was a really easy way to kind of split up the load into the 3 different groups and then work from there.
It's a great idea. The students will gain some knowledge about how to create a mobile app. They're doing something that's going to serve the community, in the sense that a lot of people hike. They're going to create these trails, and others can create these trails that others can use and know about, and points of interest on it. They're going to learn some advanced programming skills.
When you go to a job or anything really, it's not just hey, do this one project with one focus on one science. It's kind of you're on this project and you have to incorporate a bunch of different aspects. We kind of thought about it as the possible outcomes of the environment, maintenance and litter, and coming up with those different kind of aspects. So that definitely played a part into just our hiking app.
Well, it's all this crazy stuff going on in the world. How does it, really impact what we're doing? And I feel like it always comes back to that kind of ISAT ideal. How is this really impacting people? How do we feel like this is how is this going to interact with the world?
And of course, they'll be able to get their capstone experience when they present this at our senior symposium. All of our students are required to stand in front of their colleagues and all the faculty and the persons that have supported this program, and the parents and everybody come on senior symposium day. And they present their presentation in a very formal format. So we will welcome people to come and participate us, see what we do in the IEEE club, see what we do on the weekends when we have Take a Look and other open house events, or just generally just come by and talk to us, or shoot us an email or call any of the ISAT professors. You'll find out that we have open arm policy, where if you want to come and see what we're doing and what we're about, you'll find a lot of friendly faces around here that will welcome you and will allow you to come and sit in on their classes and do other kind of things with them, so you can get that ISAT experience.